There's no point in waiting any longer, we should just make a decision now.
I know, but I still feel unsure about which option is the best.
We've been going back and forth on this for weeks. At some point, we have to move forward.
You're right, it's just that once we decide, there's no turning back, and that makes me nervous.
I understand that, but we can't stay in limbo forever. We need to trust that we'll handle whatever comes next.
I guess I'm afraid of making the wrong choice and regretting it later.
That's a valid fear, but no decision is perfect. We just have to make the best choice with the information we have now.
I wish we had more clarity. It feels like there's still so much we don't know.
True, but waiting longer won't magically give us all the answers. Sometimes, you just have to take a leap of faith.
I suppose you're right. Nothing will ever be 100% certain, will it?
Exactly. And we've done our research, weighed the pros and cons. It's time to move forward confidently.
All right, let's go with option 2 then. It feels like the most balanced choice.
I agree. Option 2 gives us the most flexibility, and we can always adjust later if we need to.
I feel a little better now that we've decided. Thanks for being patient with me.
No problem. I know it's a big decision, but we're in this together.
It helps to know I'm not doing this alone.
You never are, and remember, we can always adapt if things don't go as planned.
That's true. We've made it this far, and we'll keep moving forward no matter what.
Exactly. Now, let's celebrate finally making a decision. How about dinner at that new place downtown?
Sounds like a great idea. I could use a break after all this decision-making.
She pops up anywhere, and it's starting to feel a little strange.
What do you mean by that? Is she following you or something?
It feels like it. No matter where I go, at the cafe, at the park, even at the grocery store, she's just there.
Wow, that does sound a bit odd. Do you think it's just a coincidence?
I thought it was at first, but it's happening so often that I'm not sure anymore.
Have you talked to her about it? Maybe she doesn't even realize she's doing it.
I haven't yet. I don't want to sound paranoid, but it's starting to get on my nerves.
I understand. It's hard to bring something like that up without making it awkward.
Exactly. I don't want to come across as rude, but I need some space.
Maybe you could just casually mention it next time you see her, like, "Oh, funny running into you again."
That's a good idea. It could lighten the mood without making things too serious.
Yeah, sometimes people don't realize their actions might be making others uncomfortable.
True. I just hope she doesn't take it the wrong way if I do say something.
I think if you say it kindly, she'll probably understand.
I hope so. I just miss having my quiet time without feeling like I'm always being watched.
That's totally valid. Everyone needs their own space to unwind.
Exactly. I appreciate her friendliness, but there's a limit, you know?
Definitely. Just be honest, but gentle. Most people are more understanding than we think.
You're right. I'll give it a try next time. Thanks for helping me sort this out.
Anytime, Alex. I'm sure it'll go better than you expect.
I hope so. Wish me luck.
Good luck. You've got this.
Stay away from me, I don't want to talk to you right now.
Emily, please, just let me explain. It's not what you think.
I don't want to hear it, Jake. You've already said enough.
I know I messed up, but can we at least talk about what happened?
What's there to talk about? You completely betrayed my trust.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I just got caught up in the moment, and I made a mistake.
A mistake? It wasn't just a small mistake, Jake. You lied to me for weeks.
I know, and I regret it more than you can imagine. I wish I could take it all back.
But you can't. How am I supposed to believe anything you say after this?
I'll do whatever it takes to prove to you that I'm sorry and that I won't do it again.
Sorry isn't enough. You broke my heart, and that's not something you can just fix overnight.
I understand that, but I really care about you, and I don't want to lose you.
Caring about someone means being honest with them, Jake. You didn't think about that, did you?
You're right, and I realize now how much I took you for granted. I'll do anything to make it right.
I don't know if that's possible. I need time to figure out if I can ever trust you again.
I'll give you all the time you need, but please don't shut me out completely.
I'm not shutting you out, but I can't just pretend like everything's okay either.
I'm willing to wait. I just want you to know that I'm here for you whenever you're ready to talk.
We'll see, Jake. Right now, I just need space to think.
I understand. I'll be here when you're ready.
I don't know how long that will take, but I need to figure things out on my own.
I'll respect that, Emily. Take all the time you need, and just know I'm not going anywhere.
Please subscribe and see you soon.